You are welcome to this tutorial, and this is from the Solution TV. I'll be showing you how to install WordPress plugins. Now the Solution TV will teach you tutorials that will make you do all these tasks on your own. You don't need to give it out to anybody. So how do you install WordPress plugins on your WordPress blog? This is what this tutorial is going to show you. Are you ready? If you are ready, then I will take you to the tutorial now. But before you do that, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I want you to write a comment, like this video, and share this video with your friends. And I'm going to be giving you a gift when I see your comment on this video. Thank you so much, and let's go to the tutorial now. Thank you very much. You are welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install a WordPress plugin. Now, I want to believe you have logged into the dashboard of your WordPress. You should understand that you have to log in before you can install a plugin through the dashboard, through the admin area. Now, after you have done that, then you click on the three lines at the top left corner of your dashboard. I'm going to do just that. Now, after you have done that, then you go down to where you have plugins. Go down to where you have plugins. Now, let's make, you can see plugins. You click on that. Now, after clicking on that, you have installed plugins. Those are the plugins that you have installed. When you click on that, you will find plugins that you have installed before. Then you have the add plugin, then the plugin file editor. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, what we want to do is that we want to add plugin. So you click on add plugin and you allow it to load. This will take you to the place where you are going to. Now, after it has loaded, what you can see here that it has a lot of suggestions for you. Some of them I have installed already. For example, this Akismet anti-spam protection, I have installed it. You can see that it is showing active. It is showing active and it is gray. So it means it has been installed already. But for the purpose of this tutorial, what we want to do is that we want to install a new plugin. Now, you can see from this, you have featured, popular, and recommended, favorite, and all of that. So what you need to do is to search for plugins. If you know the name of a particular plugin that you want, or for example, you have a keyword or a key phrase that you can use to describe it. For example, if I want to install an SEO plugin, I can just type SEO. Then it's automatically, the system loads, begins to search for plugins that are SEO plugins, and then it gives me the options. You can see Yoast SEO, then Rank Mass SEO. You can see all-in-one SEO. So it gives you a lot of options. So what you need to do is to just put the keywords and a key phrase in that box, and it loads automatically. Now you need to pick the type of SEO that you want to, the type of SEO plugin that you want to install. Now you can always, let me tell you something, you can always find more details. You can see that, find more details of the plugin before you install. Find more details, look at the details, whether the plugin actually will do what you want it to do within your WordPress blog. So also another section is that you can look at the ratings. You can do like that. Those are some of the things I look at. You can look at the ratings. If the ratings is good, this is 10+ million active installations. That means, and a lot of over 27,000 5-star rating, and that means this SEO is good. So those are the things I look at before I install any plugin. I don't just install just any plugin. from the suggestion given. Now you should also look at when it was last updated. This Yoast SEO was last updated 2 weeks ago, and it shows the developers are doing a great job. They get it updated regularly. If you see a plugin that have not been updated for 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 2 months, 3 months, some plugins 4 months, you need to run away from such plugins. And you can see also under the last updated 2 weeks ago, you can see compatible with your version of WordPress. I always check that too. Some plugins are not, when it is written that they are not compatible, they are untested with your version of WordPress. I always don't want to install such plugins. It has to be compatible with the version of WordPress that I'm using. And I always advise that you should use the latest version of WordPress. It's very, very important, so that you can keep your WordPress blog safe. So this plugin that you are installing must be compatible with your version of WordPress, and those are the information I check before I install any plugin. After I must have checked those information, then I will click on install now. So when you click on install now, the plugins install. Let me click on install. As you can see that it's installing, so it takes some time. It installs. After installation, it will show you, this box will show you that do you want to activate, because it's one thing for you to install. The plugin can now be on your website, can now be inside your WordPress blog, but if you don't activate it, then it won't begin to work. So after installation, this box will change to activate. Then you click on activate, then it will begin to work. You can begin to use it inside your WordPress blog. I believe you have enjoyed this tutorial. I want you to like this video. I want you to subscribe to this channel so that you can receive information when we have new tutorials. And at the Solution TV, we give tutorials like this so that we can help people, especially when people ask about these questions, how to do this, so that you can get to do them on your own. Now share this video with your friends, and you can also suggest any tutorial that you want us to do for you in the comment section. Thank you so much.